Stefano from up there in Vicenza. Bless you all. And as my cousin Art said, there's so much of our culture and inherited tradition that somehow might get lost, but something like this helps us bring it together. Another thing that strikes me today is, there's so much emptiness right now with this pandemic going on, emptiness in our hearts and emptiness in our churches. And on Easter, it's something of an emptiness of a tomb. And it's the Lord that fills that emptiness for us, but also you, Steve, and all of our family coming together on this video. That emptiness gets filled again, and that the Lord is in the midst of that emptiness with us. This is a great way to celebrate resurrection. So thank you, and I wish everyone a buona Pasqua, and particolarmente a tutta la famiglia in Italia, particolarmente a Imelda, the mama of Stefano. Te quiero mucho in Spanish. I love you much. Love you all. Now, I'm up here on a Crow Indian reservation in Montana. And so, years ago they lived in teepees, but now we kind of live in homes. But here's some of the snow. I don't know if you can see it, but if you want to come and visit, bring your skis and snowshoes because it's still snowing up here. We had a blizzard yesterday. Bless you all, and God bless you. You're in my prayers always. Thanks much. Thank you, Steve. Bye-bye.
Awesome, Father Billy. Thanks. Okay, and then I think we got Pam. Pam's got Sister Mariana on the phone. So Sister Mariana trying to get in. Let me see if we can get her on the phone. I think Pam got her.
I don't have the list right now. Hold on one second, okay, sister? All right. I've got Sister Mariana on the phone. We tried to do Zoom with her, but that was not possible at this time. So I've got her on the telephone. She doesn't know who's all here, but I'm going to let her talk, and then she can talk to you guys. All right, sister, you're on.
Hello, everyone. I Sister Luigi, wish all of you a very buona Pasqua. Over here, Father Billy was talking about a blizzard yesterday. Over here, the grass is green, everything is growing. It's a cloudy day, but it's because of the coronavirus going on. I came home from St. Francis home. I was there 3 hours to help with feeding people. Actually, I go there to help the people after I distribute the trays of food to their rooms. I go to help them eat because most of them cannot feed themselves. And it is very quiet there. Everyone sleeps a lot because there's nothing to do. And I just want to say it is still a happy Easter because everyone there is being cared for. And they don't know why they have to stay in their rooms, but they know that there's a virus going on, and we're saving them. We're protecting them from dying. Yesterday, 2 people died, but they're not. One kid was at St. Francis home. He was elderly, and he didn't have the virus. And one of our sisters, she was like 90 years old, and she helped develop the Women Doctors program in Nicaragua. And I just am very happy that he celebrated Easter in heaven. All right, I wish all of you a very happy Easter from Italy and Jim and everybody else. And thanks to Pam for getting me in touch with all of you.
Awesome. Okay, thanks, sister.
I'll keep you on so you can hear, okay, sister?
Okay. Are we missing anybody else? Last call. Last call. Last call for anybody, and then we'll put Rosetta. We'll get Rosetta to tell us what song we're going to sing, and then we'll all sing it together and conclude this. And so, from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thanks, everybody. I was looking on here. There's 50 people on here, and that's just awesome to me. It's 50 cameras plus all and everyone that's on there. It's just awesome. So thanks for taking the time to come through. Just really cool. Okay, let me see. Got to get Rosetta. What was Rosetta? Was Rosetta under Rosetta? No, Rosetta was under something else. What was Rosetta underneath? Was it Mike? Who had? No, it was John was with Rosetta. Yeah, I gotta get John on, and then I'll figure out where we'll get it here. John, there we go.
Can you hear
Rosetta,
us?
we got you. Okay.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna do the riskiest thing here now. I'm gonna unmute everybody, but you're gonna lead us. You're gonna lead us, Rosetta. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna unmute you, right?
Hey, whenever you're ready.
Okay, go ahead, Mom.
The first one.
Viva
That was a good one.
You said that was the first one, Rosetta?
Well, if you remember, when the Frigos got together, they really enjoyed I Mazzolini di Fiori. Do you remember that? Anyone?
That's outside of my wheelhouse, but I see a lot of nods of yes. Okay.
Well, when they got, the uncles came one at a time to the East Coast, and certainly Pasquale came, Luigi, and then of course my Uncle Steve and Papa. And honestly, what voices, what voices. They did enjoy, as I say, I Mazzolini di Fiori che vien dalla montagna. And then it went on and on. I'm not going to sing if nobody's going to join me. I'm shy.
You're not shy. No. We would listen to you all afternoon. No one's got anywhere to go.
Thank you so much for everything. I've enjoyed it and seen my cousins, and they've seen me. It's just a marvelous, as they say, technology. Thank you.
Hey, Steve, you didn't happen to record this, did you?
I did that towards the last part of it. I didn't get it in the beginning, but I got part of it here.
That's okay. We just have to do it again. That's all.
Well, that give us a reason to do it again. Now, there's one song that I think meant at least a lot to my grandfather. Was "God Bless America."
Oh yes.
So proud to be in
Absolutely.
America, and I think we should end with singing that together.
And stand.
Everybody, and we can sing "God Bless America," and then we'll end the call here.
Okay.
All for coming. It's awesome.
Ready?
Bless America. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from the mountain to the prairies, the oceans, like the gold. Bless America, my home, sweet home. God bless America.
Viva la Frigo!
Awesome, guys.
Thank you.
Happy
See you
Easter.
guys.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everybody.
Easter. You're welcome. I love you. We'll talk soon.
Love you guys.
Sure.
Okay.
Franco, keep that beard. Keep the beard, Franco. Don't cut it.
Love you, Kitchen. I'll call you back in just a little bit, okay?
Bye.
Ow.
Bye.
Ow.
Thanks, yeah.
Thanks, bye.
Bye, guys.
Everybody else.
Can you see me? Maybe.
That's Father Billy. Hi, Father Billy.
Where's Father Billy?
Thank you, Rosanna, for singing your best.
Jimmy, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Steve.
See you guys.
Rosanna, bye, Rosanna, bye, John.
Ciao, 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 ciao,
Thank you, everybody.
Okay, so you guys all want to come visit Florida. This is what we have here. Sunshine and a pool.
Jump in, Pam. Jump. We want to see you jump in. Come on.
No. Father Billy has snow. We've got sunshine. It's 85 degrees. So we want you guys to come visit.
Okay. See you guys.
Father.